Hey, stay back. Hey, stay back, man. We don't want to hurt you. We don't want to hurt you, bud. Stay. No, hey. Hey, stay. Hey, no, don't do it, man. Don't do it, please. Just drop the knife for me. Hey, don't do it, man. Can you drop the knife, please? Drop it, please. Drop it, man. Don't come towards me, please. Don't come towards me. Drop the knife. Please. What's his name? Get the gun out. Get your gun out. Don't. Hey, stay right there, bud. Stay right there, please. Stay right there. Just stay down. Stay down. What's your name? What's your name? Sir, drop it. No, sir. Sir, don't, please. Get on the ground. Don't. Sir, thank you. Stay down. No, stay down. Stay away from it. Stay away from it. Stay away from it. Taser, 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 taser. Taser, get away from it.
Control Sam 1344, shot fired.
사건의 결말. 총상을 당한 용의자는 현장에서 응급처치를 받고 인근 병원으로 이송되어 치료 후 수감되었다. 다친 사람은 없었다. 용의자는 경찰을 살상 무기로 공격한 죄목으로 기소되었다.